Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. AI is great and all, but there's always a problem. The models we get are huge, and you need tons of infrastructure to run them. For example, running Llama 3 requires the ideal configuration using 3090 or 4090, which costs around $1,000. So, it seemed like AI was only for the wealthy. But today, Microsoft has changed that. They've launched one of their new models, PHI-3-mini. There will also be a PHI-3 medium and large in the future, but for now, we only have PHI-3-mini. So, what is it? Well, to start, it's a 3.8 billion parameter model. According to their own benchmarks, it can beat Llama 3 and Mixtral 8x7b, which are both around 8 billion parameter models. It's also said to be able to run on phones, which is obviously super cool. It's rumored that Apple may add it to their next generation iPhones. Anyway, let's look at their blog post to learn more about it in depth. According to their post, PHI-3 models are the most capable and cost-effective small language models, SLMs. They claim it can outperform models of the same size and the next size up across various language, reasoning, coding, and math benchmarks. They've released two versions of the model, a 4K context length model and a 128K context length model. The 128K context length is said to have some impact on quality, but that's okay. They also explain that it's instruction-tuned, meaning it's trained to follow different types of instructions, reflecting how people normally communicate. This ensures the model is ready to use out of the box, which is pretty cool. It's available on Azure, Llama, and Hugging Face. Now, let's look at the model's benchmarks. In MMLU, the 4K instruct model beats Llama 3.8b and is very close to Mixtral. AGI Evil is where it's lacking, unable to reach the numbers that Mixtral and Llama 3 achieve, with a difference of about 6 to 7 points. However, Big Bench Hard is where it leaves everyone behind, providing a result of 71.7, while Llama 3, Mixtral, and GPT-3.5 are far less. In the ANU benchmark, it's very close to other models, but still can't beat them. Things take a turn again at the Hellaswag benchmark, where it outperforms all by scoring an impressive 76.7. Pretty cool. So, this model is really great when you compare its benchmark performance to its size. Pretty cool. Now that's enough talking. Let's test it out. It's available on Llama and Hugging Face. You can also use it with the Hugging Face chat interface, available for free. First, let's test it with Hugging Face chat, and then I'll tell you how to install it with Llama. So, let's ask it to write 10 sentences with the word apple. Okay, it's pretty fast. Now let's ask it to write a snake game in Python. Pretty good. Works well. Now let's ask it a reasoning question. I have 20 cars, and I drove one of them. How many cars do I have now? Okay, pretty cool. It answers correctly. I must say this model is performing extremely well. It's a really great model that can be integrated into smaller devices to make them work really well, all locally. If only this model had come earlier, maybe Humane AI Pin would have been saved. Anyway, now let me tell you how you can get it installed locally on your machine. Go to Llama's website, get it installed if you don't already have Llama, then go to the Models page, and on the top, you'll see the newly added PHI-3 model. Go ahead and copy the command on the page and paste it into your terminal. PHI-3 will be installed, and you can chat with it in your terminal. If you want to know how to set it up with a ChatGPT-like interface, check out my older Llama Web UI video. Let me know if you liked this model in the comments. Also, If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.